Hi guys, my name is Valentyna. I live in Australia, but currently I am in Thailand. It's gonna be a huge Shein unpacking. Let's do it. I'm gonna start with a small one. I ordered everything. I ordered a lot of stuff for Thailand, like beachwear, some shoes, and I also ordered some stuff for my little brother because he's coming with my mom. And I ordered some stuff for my mom, so I don't really know what's inside this. And I will tell you how much did I spend on it. All the price tags you will see. If you want something to buy, please leave a comment and I will give you a link. Oh, interesting. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is for my little brother. He's 8 years old. Look how cute. Oh, it's a costume with palm trees. He will love it. He will love it. It's definitely what you need for Samui, for Thailand. And in this costume, he has a little head. Oh. It's definitely gonna be big for him, definitely, but maybe I can wear this. What do you think? So guys, I actually came here to Thailand not only because of Shein. I came here because I have wedding here. So if you don't want to miss like my pre-wedding vlog, wedding vlog, my wedding day, subscribe me, thumbs up and comment. Let's go. I'm a very nice person. Please guys, I'm trying so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is for my hands party. I actually have a hands party here, so you probably will see video from my hands. Oh my god, that's so luxury. It feels like I'm actually shaking a real goose, a real duck. Look at this, all this fur. Amazing, I love it. Oh my god, that's the best thing I could ever buy. Because when can you buy it? Only before your wedding, because it actually says bride. I love it. Oh, that's what I need. Guys, look, please, let's go, next. That's the package for my little brother. So this is like Minecraft glasses, Minecraft stickers. And yeah, you can guess, but it's Minecraft t-shirts and shirts. That's not all, Minecraft as well. I haven't said in my life so many times a word Minecraft, but today is the day. Nice. And little shoes for him. It's cute. It's not Minecraft, but in style. He will love it. Let's go for the second small one, because we have 3, remember? When I used to live in Thailand 2 years ago, like I ordered Shein every week. I was obsessed with Shein. I was obsessed because it's so cheap. And the island where I'm now, and I used to live here, the sun is so strong, so your clothes lose the color really quick, and you kinda a little bit tight ass to buy an expensive clothes. And I definitely didn't have a lot of money to buy like luxury clothes here, and yeah, so you can't buy a really expensive stuff, and I was obsessed with Shein. And now I don't order anything in Melbourne because it looks a little bit weird to wear Shein clothes in Melbourne, because it feels more island for me. I feel like it's island style, guys. So my best friends came here as well for my wedding, and we decided to do a mermaid photo shoot. That's why I ordered a mermaid. You think swimsuit, but no guys, it's a tail. It's like literally the tail. Oh my god, it's gonna be so fun. We want to make a photo shoot in mermaid style. It's gonna be so fun, 3 of us in the ocean. Oh my god, I just love it. I love it. Look at this. Oh my, I'm so excited. If you wanna see the photo and video from this photo shoot, please follow my Instagram. Like, if you are not following me, like, what are you doing? Look at this. I'm so fun person. Can you tell, like, so fun person? Maybe, who knows? Okay, oh my god. That's fun. So the next one. Ooh, that's cute. That's a beachwear. Oh, it's like a dress. I actually love a lot of bright colors, as you see me in pink and my tail. But, you know, I'm gonna have a honeymoon as well. So I need some beachy resort style. Yeah, so this is gonna be a dress, beach dress. It's black, but what can I do? Oh, whoa, 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 wow. Okay, let's start. Let's start with this box. It's shoes. It's shoes. So I have a hand spotty and it's like the same color is pink. Yeah. Oh, it looks ugly. Looks ugly. It's not what I expected. Oh, I have so huge feet. This is ugly. This is ugly. But I didn't say I'm not gonna wear this. Okay, I'll show you now. What do you think? I think it's cute on my feet. I think it's fine. Yeah, it's good. Good, that's what I need. Guys, I needed to go inside, otherwise my phone gonna be dead forever because it's 7 million degrees outside. So let's just continue here, if you don't mind. We have a lot of work to do. Ooh, one more beach dress. I don't have a swimsuit for this, but it's like little flowers in here. It's gonna be like this. Okay, that's fine. That's not bad. It's worse than I expected it to be, but like what? What can I do to people who did it for me in Singapore? I am in Thailand. I can do nothing. I can just wait and shut my mouth. That's it. Next. I was waiting for this. I really needed one because I have a wedding. I told this 100 times already, but I needed a robe for my morning, like my bride morning. And I bought a lot of robes for my bridesmaids, and I have 7, like crazy. And I bought a little robe for me, for myself. I'm gonna be a bride. I'm gonna be a bride. I'm gonna be a bride. Where's my... Oh my God. I'm gonna cry a lot. I'm gonna cry a lot. It's so like... I'm so sensitive for all this like family stuff and celebrations. It's cute. The size is a little bit small. It's okay. It's okay. It's nice. It's nice. I'm gonna be a bride. But okay, let's enjoy the time while I'm still fiancé. Next, I put it in bag because I put it on the floor. Oh my God, well, what are you doing? Next. Whew. It's a top. I had this one while I was living here. And once I forgot this top at my boyfriend's place and he was thinking it's some child forgot it. No, babe. I'm a baby, but I'm not a child. So yeah, it's really cute one. I'll add a lot of photos of these clothes on me, so don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, I look it's so nice. Yeah. And I think I made a mistake and I ordered 2 of those, but it's okay. I have a lot of friends over here. Oh, it's a suit. That's nice. That's nice. Oops. The size is perfect. The girl. That's so nice. I don't have any mirror, so guys, I just would really appreciate if you message me in a comment, leave me a message if it fits me good. Just a cute little suit for a beach. Yeah, I need this. That's nice. When you order something on Shein, you can't expect anything like amazing for the price you paid. Yeah, if you buy something like really expensive, of course. But if you buy a few dollars in, girl, just shut up. That's it. Ta-da! Next. Oh, that's what I need. That's what I need and what I love. A case with this little robe, if I am correct. Because when you drive a bike in Thailand, it's so comfortable to wear this type of case with your phone. It's like the best. So yeah, that's really nice. And you can adjust it to your size whenever you need. So this is the best, and it costs like few dollars. Like, come on, give me 700 of those. Maybe not 700, but definitely two. Definitely two, girl. Yeah. One more black one. Black one with this like print. I like pink more, but I need one in case that I didn't get the first one. Yeah, it's nice, it's cute. It definitely works for me. Yes. One more top. Yeah. No. Yeah. One more top. Yeah, I'm this type of person who doesn't look for what you pay for. Little cute things. Whoop. Little bracelets. Island style bracelet. Oh. What if I put it on my feet? Guys, I look amazing. I look so good in those. Wow. Wow. You can't say it's bad because it's amazing. Wow, I leave it like this. Oh my god. And it's the last one. Shorts. Okay. I'll try it. Okay. Maybe size is not good for me. Maybe size is not the best. But that's how it looks like. What do you think, guys? Not sure. I'm not sure. But let me know. Let me know what do you think. But I really love this style of shorts. I just need some belt. I'm so skinny. Yeah, it's okay. But I really like this style. Thank you for watching me. Let me know in the comment if you wanna know if you wanna get any links from the stuff I bought. And please thumbs up, follow my Instagram. Yes, I love Instagram a lot. And I definitely gonna film a lot of videos, like every week, every Thursday, a new video coming. So please don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.